Now let's move on to future. Okay. So first let's talk about future possibilities or present possibilities too, right? So something that is possible in the present or something that is possible in the future. We're gonna use to talk about it using may and might, which are two modal verbs. Remember, modal verbs have only one conjugation, so this means that you use may and might for all the pronouns. So she may, they may, we may, I may. It's always the same, right? So we're gonna use may and might to talk about things that are possible in the present or in the future, right? We use may and might also when we're not very certain, right? When we're trying to guess, when we don't know, maybe yes, maybe no, who knows what's gonna happen, right? For example, we might go to the beach next weekend. We're not sure. We don't know yet. We want to, but maybe we have more plans or something. Maybe it won't happen, but we want to do it, so it's a possibility, right? Or for example, I can also say like, oh, I may move to New York in the future. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no, right? So it's just a possibility. I have nothing ready for that, but it's a possibility. When we are a little bit more certain, a little bit more sure, not super sure, but we are quite certain, we are going to use will or probably will, right? Remember, we use will with usually with those adverbs like definitely or probably, and when we are quite certain, right? For example, it is sunny today. We will probably have a barbecue. Is a little bit more certain than may and might. And of course, we use definitely when we are very certain, right? Because I say definitely. So we left 5 minutes ago, so we'll definitely be late. I'm sure that we'll be late. So as I already told you, may, might, and will only have one conjugation. And after may, might, and will, I'm going to use the base form of the verbs. It means no to, okay? Just the verb. Get it? So for example, I may visit, or it will be, right? And of course, if it is negative, so just not, might not take, or won't. Remember, might and may don't have like a contraction, right? So the contraction of will not would be won't. But may and might, they don't have any, so I have to say might not or may not. Now, the confusing part is just the position of the adverb with will. Okay, so I have definitely and I have probably. When I have an affirmative sentence, I'm gonna use the definitely after the will. Okay, so I will definitely or I will probably see you this evening. When it's in negative, I'm going to use the probably or the definitely before the won't. So I definitely won't see you tomorrow, or he probably won't arrive on time. And then here there is like a little exception here. That is when I answer with short answers. So when I say, would you buy it? Oh, I definitely will. So in this case, you don't write definitely at the end or after the will. You write the definitely before the will, right? And the negative stays the same. You just write the probably before the won't. And that's it. Let's do the exercises.